a bit. In fact, let's get started with what happened last evening. The land acquisition bill, which will replace the 117-year-old the land acquisition bill of 1894, and we spoke to a number of companies, real estate, so on and so forth. Let's also get in that infrastructure perspective. And Mr. Mohanty, MD of Gammon Infra right now, joins us to talk about that and what will happen going ahead as a result of this bill. Thanks so much, Mr. Mohanty, for joining in.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's your prima facie reading? Because we spoke to from various organizations, FICCI, CREDA, etc., had to say that makes the process of land what it ideally.
There is no doubt that there was a necessity to naturally look at a bill because it was huge. But it's a long debate to understand whether these bills have been brought up is the appropriate bill or not. There are a couple of things in it. First thing is besides the cost, which is more critical in this situation, is who is the implementation agency for implementing these guidelines, whether the government, whether the private agency or any third party. Unless there is very clearly an implementation agency to control these aspects, it will be practically difficult or impossible for any government agency or the private agency to really go ahead with these guidelines. The biggest challenge to a private sector will be when you are not sure about handling this situation in a public domain and meet a time deadline, then all cost overall project implementation, then handling the bankers will become more and more difficult. More than the cost, this will be the biggest challenge. The second aspect of it, which is in my opinion will play a competitive role between states. The state government will have a major role to play how they create an environment and structure to implement this so that the investments will be channelized to their states. Those states which are more adverse or non-cooperative in implementing this or implementing in a more disciplined way, naturally investment will move away from those.
Sure. Mr. Mohanty, the point being, do you believe that the state laws which will be formed by various states would be radically different from what the basic structure of this bill is? I mean, could states actually go ahead and be present a completely divergent law to what this bill is presenting?
The law may not be divergently different, but the governance and the implementation will implement this investment will channelize to those states.
And that would cause a lot of discrepancy or complication in the process?
Yes. See, ultimately this will become a state issue. So how the state is handling it will be also very, very critical. But one of our suggestions from the industry will be this law also should consider identifying agency who will handle these aspects of implementation. The cost is a secondary part. And if you look at the cost, the land...
Is that really a secondary part? Because you're talking about, farmers being paid 4 times areas is 2 times the market price in earth. In an environment where already land
3 times of their way.
Infrastructure companies which PPP model are building a highway, for example, how would the process be? You think the government will simply acquire the parcel of land that needs to be acquired and then hand it over to the company? Will it be as simple as that?
Logically, that should be the way. Otherwise, the implementation schedule will get affected severely. Today, the efficiency of implementation is getting affected severely. All cost overrun delays happening, mostly due to governance issues like land acquisitions, tax issues, forest issues, environment issues. Might be this will add little more complexity to the whole issues.
Okay. And the other bit is, it says that the bill has a retrospective element. Now, this will be very contentious because a lot of companies which have bought land, keeping in mind a particular parcel, some money to be paid to the middle and so on and so forth. If indeed the R&R comes into the picture, it will increase the cost substantially.
It will bring a host of legal and arbitration issues. So naturally, which has been bided, suppose in the past.
What's your prima facie reading? Because a number of corporates that we spoke to from various organizations